Okay, so we have a 300 watt folding kit with the original lead, but we have taken the fuse out just in case there was a problem with the fuse. So we're taking it off the lead. So this is with no load, we're getting a fluctuation, as you can see. This is at the battery end. I'll take you to the solar end. So down at the solar panel, as you can see, we're getting a higher voltage down here. We're seeing 14.2 volts and 8.6 amps. And now the regulator, we will see a high voltage as well. Now I'll just take you back to the battery end. So down this end you can see we've got a lower voltage as we're close to the battery, and the lead isn't continuous with the voltage, so we're getting fluctuating numbers.